I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture. Sunshine Perlite is an essential, all-natural ingredient that's commonly added to our quality potting mixes. It improves soil drainage and adds needed aeration for good root growth and development. Our perlite is comprised of the finest expanded volcanic rock for horticultural use. Not only does it provide soil porosity, but it's also lightweight and holds soil nutrients, making them more accessible to plants. Use Sunshine Perlite to lighten soil mixes to your own specifications, or use it to propagate plant cuttings that require drier growing conditions. It's 100% natural and organic, and OMRI listed for organic gardening. Sunshine Perlite is available at top garden centers and hardware stores nationwide. Visit sunshinemixes.com to learn more and discover expert how-to gardening videos, articles, and exciting monthly garden giveaways. We also offer free horticultural advice through our Ask a Garden Expert support service and $3 rebate coupons to help you save on your next Sunshine purchase to create more beautiful, vigorous, cost-saving gardens.